Figure shows two conducting spheres separated by a large distance. Large distance means बहुत दूर है, infinite मान सकते हैं इसको. Radius 2 centimeter, R1, radius 3 centimeter. Charges are 10 microcoulomb, 20 microcoulomb. चार्ज दिया हुआ इस पर. When the spheres are connected by a conducting wire से कनेक्ट करने के बाद then find out following. When we connect these two spheres by a conducting wire, the potential of these two are same. Potential V1 equals to V2 after connecting with the wire. So V1 is K Q1 dash. Let's suppose this is Q1 and Q2. The new charges are Q1 dash by R1 equals to Q2 dash by R2. So K cancel. Q1 dash by Q2 dash, R1 by R2. So it is 2 by 3. So the ratio of charges is 2 by 3. Final charges. The first part. Second part is final charge on each sphere. Find the final charges. Charge remains constant. So Q1 plus Q2 must be equal to Q1 dash plus Q2 dash, and Q1 plus Q2 is total 30. Q1 dash plus Q2 dash, तो Q1 dash plus Q2 dash, या Q1 dash को लिख सकते हैं 2 by 3 Q2 dash. So it is 2 by 3 Q2 dash plus Q2 dash. So 3, it is 5 by 3 Q2 dash. So Q2 dash आ गया 18 microcoulomb. So Q2 dash and Q1 dash ratio 2 by 3, 18 into 2 by 3 is 12 microcoulomb. Second part, Q1 dash and Q2 dash 18 and 12. And the last, okay, third part, ratio of final charge densities. Final charge densities. Charge density sigma 1 equals to Q1 dash by 4 pi R1 square, and sigma 2 equals to Q2 dash by 4 pi R2 square. So sigma 1 by sigma 2 is Q1 dash by Q2 dash R2 square upon R1 square. Q1 dash by Q2 dash R2 square, Q1 dash 2 by 3 R2 square 3 to 3 upon 2 into 2. So it is 3 by 2, third part. And last part is heat produced during the process. Heat produced. Heat produced equals to change in total एनर्जी. जितना भी चेंज आया दैट इज हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड, और जो चेंज आएगा सेल्फ एनर्जी का चेंज होगा. सेल्फ एनर्जी होती है स्क्वायर की, स्फेयर जो होता है के क्यू स्क्वायर बाई 2r. सो इनिशियली के क्यू वन स्क्वायर बाई 2r1 प्लस के क्यू टू स्क्वायर बाई 2r2 माइनस के Q1 dash square by 2R1 minus K Q2 dash square by 2R2. K by 2 common. So 9 into 10 की power 9 by 2. Q1 square initially 10 का square 100 into 10 की power minus 12 by R1 2 centimeter, so minus 2 plus Q2 square 20 का square, so it is 400 into 10 की power minus 12 by R2 3. Similarly, minus Q1 dash 12. So 144 divided by R1 2 minus Q2 dash square 18 324 by 3. We can solve it. 10 की power minus 12, 10 की power minus 2, 100 by 2 plus 400 by 3 minus 144 by 2 minus 324 by 3. Minus 12 minus 2, so it is 9 by 2, 10 की power minus 1, 76 by 2, 76 by 2, this is 24, 22, 3, sorry. So it is 76, so 9 by 2, 10 की power minus 1, which is 10 by 3. Three by 2 joule. Kq square by 2r. This is the self energy of a hollow uniformly charged sphere. So the heat produced is the change in total self energies of the two spheres, because orientation of the two spheres is same in previous and this case. So this is the heat produced, 3 by 2 joule. Fourth part of this question is heat produced. So heat produced equals to change in total energy. टोटल एनर्जी का चेंज निकालना होगा हमको. हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड इक्वल्स टू, सो चेंज इन टोटल एनर्जी K Q1 square by 2R1 plus K Q2 square by 2R2 minus K Q1 dash square by 2R1 minus K Q2 dash square by 2R2. This is the change of self energies of the two spheres. K by 2 common. Q1 square Q2 square. Q1 10 माइक्रो कूलम. जब हम स्क्वायर करेंगे तो माइक्रो कूलम 10 की पावर माइनस 6 का स्क्वायर माइनस 12. यहाँ भी माइनस 12 माइनस 12 माइनस 12 सब कॉमन आ जाएगा. सो K by 2 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 12 डिवाइड बाई 2 पहले ले चुके हैं. ओके, नाउ Q1 स्क्वायर, सो 10 का स्क्वायर 100 माइक्रो कूलम. 10 की पावर माइनस 12 हमने बाहर ले लिया इसको. सो 100 अपॉन R1 2 प्लस Q2 स्क्वायर 20 स्क्वायर 400 by 2. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो सेंटीमीटर. सो 2 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 2 -2, सो 10 की पावर -2 भी बाहर ले लेते हैं कॉमन. 400 by R2. R2 is 3 minus Q1 dash 12. So 144 by 2 minus 18 का square 324 by 3. Now we can solve it. So 9 into 10 की 10 की power -10. So 9 into 10 की power 9 by 2 into 10 की power -10. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. आप ऐसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो उसको. 400 by 3 minus 324 by 3 इसको एक साथ ले लेते हैं. सो ये 76 by 3 76 by 3 minus 144 by 2 100 by 2 44 by 2 so 22 into 3 66 76 so 10 by 3 so 9 by 2 into 10 की पावर -1 ये 1 by 10 हो गया into 10 by 3 3 से 3 times 10 से 10 times so it is 3 by 2 joule. 3 by 2 joule heat produced in the whole process. Okay.